How to scan QR code on any Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can scan QR code on any Android device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to scan a QR code on any Android device, you just need to open up your device. Right now, I'm using a Samsung phone, so you may use any device and just follow the same process as well. After that, you'll be able to get a bunch of options in order to scan a QR code using your Android device. You may download an QR scanner from Google Play Store if you want, or there is a built-in function of scanning a QR code, but I'm gonna show you an example of downloading a QR code scanner. So I'm just gonna type in scanner. After that, you'll get a bunch of options like QR code scanner. So you just need to simply tap on one of this app and install in your application. Install those application onto your device. After that, you just need to open up that app and you just need to place your phone above the QR code using your camera, and you should be able to scan code. Otherwise, when you swipe down, you will be able to see a built-in function called QR code scanner on your notification bar. Every phone does have this feature, so you may just simply tap on that scan QR code and you'll be taken to this page. So you just need to place your phone above that QR code and it will automatically scan the QR code. Or if you type on this gallery icon, and if you already have a QR code on your device, you may just tap on that gallery icon. After that, simply it will scan the QR code as well. If you find that way hard, you may just simply open your camera app, and it will automatically detect the QR code. So therefore, by these methods, you should be able to scan QR code on Android very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.